Sage Intacct Construction is a true cloud accounting and enterprise resource planning (ERP) system that is specifically designed for businesses in the construction vertical. The platform could help to save your business money by speeding up processes, streamlining reporting, and offering automation. Let's discuss some of the benefits of Sage Intacct Construction and how it can help your business to grow. The more time you spend searching for the data you need or organizing it into the correct format is time that could be better spent elsewhere. With centralized data in Sage Intacct Construction, you can spend less time searching for and organizing data and more time analyzing it and making business decisions based on it. One issue that many construction businesses face is controlling cash flow. With an offline system, it can be hard to keep track of all of the invoices and payments that your business has to deal with. If a project gets delayed, that impacts payments into and out of the business, it affects calendars, and it affects potential revenue. And the larger the project, the larger the potential issues that delays can cause. Sage Intacct Construction offers real-time visibility of data, so you remain in control and you can avoid being blindsided by extra costs, delayed projects, or unexpected invoices. The system also captures performance data to offer trend analysis and better reporting capabilities in the future. Investing in accounting software can help support your business as you grow, as it helps you to avoid common pitfalls and hurdles. The system can easily scale the number of users and transactions with no loss to performance. You can also remove the need for frequent system updates, as Sage Intacct gets updated 4 times each year based on the feedback from real Sage Intacct users. Invest in your company's future with Sage Intacct Construction. If you're interested in learning more about Sage Intacct Construction, please use the links in the description. Otherwise, you can get in touch with our Sage experts directly by calling us on 0115 840 5075 or emailing us at inquiries@solutionscloud.uk.